Welcome to our room tour of Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas. This is room 12548. Come inside our balcony room. Now, we have our room set up with a king-size bed, and it's nice that it's situated right next to where the balcony is, so when you're laying in bed, you can see outside, which I love. But this bed can be split into two and have two twin-sized beds, and the nightstands then go into the middle. On the right side of the bed, there is a American outlet, which is great. This is a newer ship, so you are getting at least a plug by the bed. There is storage above both sides of the bed. There is a flat screen TV right across from the bed, which is great. This is one of the closet areas. It does have shelving, some hanging space, a small safe, and then a couple drawers down here at the bottom. This is our couch area, which is nice to have a little seating area. And then across from that, we do have 4 drawers with soft close hinges on them. This one does have the hair dryer in it. And then down below, there is a cooler. On Anthem of the Seas, it does have a kettle. There is stuff to make tea on here, which you won't see on all of the ships. We do have 2 American outlets, 2 USBs, and 1 European plug on here. And then there is more storage on this side. This is all hanging. There is double racks of hanging. Let's go check out the bathroom. Now the bathroom does have a nice capsule shower in it, which I do love the space. It is large in here. It's got a shave bar down here, and then it does come with the hair and body wash in one with this removable shower wand, and you can adjust the height on it. There is a few storage shelves on this side with a countertop, a bit larger countertop space, and then the sink. When you are in a room with a balcony, the best part of the whole room is the balcony. So let's go check it out. Today we are in Seattle, and we have an amazing view of the Seattle skyline. Our balcony has 2 chairs and a small little table. And check out that view we've got. Thank you so much for coming on our room tour of Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas. This is room 12548.